Alright, so in this video you're gonna see step by step how to do an oil change on this Renault Clio. In the engine bay with yellow we've got the oil cap and the oil dipstick. Alright, so now the car is placed safely on jack stands. That's the point. So now we have to remove this cover. We've got a bunch of 10mm around. Okay. Here we can see the oil pan, the oil filter cap, and the drain bolt here. Okay guys, so the drain bolt is not a 3x8 as I thought. I tried a lot of bits and finally I found this one. This is the only bit that will fit. I don't know exactly the size of it, but it says flat 10. It has like a little bit over 1 centimeter in length here. So this one will match perfectly in there. Okay. Luckily it's not that tight, so. And then just pull it out like this. And you're not gonna make too much mess. You can replace the washer as well. Okay. For the filter we're gonna need a 27mm. Wow, this is very tight in here. For some reason. This is way more than 25 Newton meters. Now we can expect some more oil. Let's catch it. Let's take out the filter. Okay. Okay, so let's install the new filter. Okay, it clicks in there, and let's tighten the cap. I'm gonna clean here very well, so I will detect if there are any oil leaks, but usually shouldn't be. So now we're ready to add the new oil. Now this car will take 5W40, around 4 liters of oil, depending on how much you remove, obviously. I already added 3 bottles. Let's add one more. Alright. I'm gonna check the level after I place the car back on a flat surface. With the cover off, you can see where the bolts will be. We've got 3 on the front, 1 on each side, and then 2 more up there. Looks like we are next to the maximum, so make sure that you approximate well how much you removed so you can know how much to add. But in general, if you add, for example, 3.5 liters, then you should be fine to start the engine and then check the oil level again, add more oil. Alright, so once again, these are the tools I use to do this oil change. These are to remove the plastic cover. It's a T30 and then a 10mm. You either have this or you have the original tool from Renault, I guess, to open that drain bolt. And then a 27mm is gonna be for the oil filter.